Hello guys, so we are looking at square root of x minus x is equal to 5. We have to solve for this in this case. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, we can say that square root of x is equal to 5 minus, so it will be plus because it's negative x. Okay, so from here, we need to get rid of this square root. So we can square both sides. So we are going to get square root of x squared, which is equal to 5 plus x all squared. So this will cancel this. Okay, so leaving x is equal to 5 plus x all squared in this case. And now we have a plus b all squared in algebra. This expression results as a squared plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b squared. So our equation, we can resolve it as x is equal to, now this is our a and this is our b. So 5 squared plus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 plus x squared. Okay, now x is equal to 5 squared is 25 plus 2 times 5 is 10 multiplied by x is 10x plus x squared. Now, so x squared plus 10x minus x plus 25 is equal to 0. So we have x squared, 10x minus x, we get 9x plus 25 is equal to 0. So now, to solve this, we can use the quadratic formula to solve. Okay, of which our a is 1, b is 9, and c is 25. So our s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, like this. So our x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 9 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25 all over 2 times 1. So our x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus square root of 9 squared is 81. Okay, so we get 81 minus 4 times 25 is 100. 100 times 1 is still 100, so all over 2. So now x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 100. We are getting negative 19. Okay, so we can write this as s is equal to negative 9. Sorry, this should be equal to negative 9 plus or minus square root of 19 multiplied by square root of negative 1, all on 2. So our x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus square root of 19. Then square root of negative 1 is the same as I, so multiply by I, all on 2. So our values of x, we get x1 is equal to minus 9 plus square root of 19 I, all on 2. And x2 is equal to minus 9 minus square root of 19 I, all on 2. Okay, so this is our solution of the expression. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.